Whatever it is, it's fighting. Holy moly. What is up, everybody? Fish Hawk here. Today, Dad and I are doing some spillway fishing. We're fishing for anything that's willing to bite. Most likely, we're going to find some yellow perch. I was here about a year ago and caught some really nice ones. I threw them all back last time, but this time, we're going to keep a couple to eat. I heard they're really good, so hopefully we can catch some. Stay tuned.
I start off the day throwing a small Euro tackle suspending jerkbait. For some reason, in these first few clips, my audio wasn't working. I saw some little largemouth bass swimming around, so I made a couple casts to them.
First fish of the day, nice little largemouth.
See ya, buddy. After fishing with the jerkbait for about 10 minutes, I decided to switch it up. I tied on a Euro tackle EPF Swim bluegill color on a 3/32 ounce tungsten jig head.
Saw a bunch of yellow perch in there. I didn't see any real big ones, but I had a couple follows. Got him. First yellow perch of the day, guys. Heard these yellow perch are pretty good, so we're gonna keep some to eat. Fish on. Whatever it is, it's fighting. Holy moly, it's a giant yellow perch. There's a couple with him. Woo! Holy moly. That's my PB for sure. Look at that, popped right out. Second yellow perch of the day, and it's a beast. Yeah, that thing fought real good. Oh, got another one. Another nice one. Not quite as nice, but it's still pretty decent, I think. EPF Swim right in the top lip. Another nice yellow perch. You better get up here before I catch them all. I want you to catch some. Fish on! Every cast. Oh yeah. Look at this one. Ooh. I like when they put their fins up like that.
Oh yeah, they're beautiful.
All I'm doing to catch these fish is casting it out, letting it sink to the bottom, and then I'm doing a slow reel back and twitching my rod tip. Yeah. He found his way out. Yeah. There he goes. Yeah, right there. He whammed it. That looks like a nice one. Well guys, it's been about 30 minutes since we've had a bite. When we first got here, we were catching fish almost every cast. I don't know what happened, but they completely shut off. We've tried all kinds of different lures and baits. We may make a move here soon. Stay tuned. All right guys, that is going to do it for today. Had a great day of fishing with Dad. We caught some nice yellow perch and I also caught a largemouth bass. We checked out a few other spots after leaving the spillway, but nothing was going on, so going to call it a day. All the information for the gear I used will be down in the description. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hulk out.